When did the first Jalsa take place?
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First Jalsa ever. You mean worldwide? I suppose that was in 1891, was it?
Yes, 1891. Yes.
Where do you think it took? Where do you think it took place?
Possibly Qadian?
Yes.
I think it was 1891. Qadian, obviously, 1891. And how many people do you think turned up? 75 people. Well, that was acting for you.
Thank you.
What by 1891?
I think 1891 in Qadian.
तो 100 के करीब होगी 500 के करीब तो होगी
I think पहला जलसा कादियान और हाजरी
When?
less than 100 I guess less than 100
When?
I would have said 70 but maybe before my time, so I don't know.
1892, 89, 1889 I think.
oh Qadian but I don't know really
सबसे पहला जलसा सलाम
91 में
परफेक्ट जज़ाकल्लाह माशाअल्लाह
no way
कितने लोगों ने अटेंड किया
75
75 अटेंडेड
पहला जलसा साला गवर्नमेंट 1800 नहीं 1903 में
1919 में मेरे ख्याल से
1891
और कितनी उसकी हाजिरी थी
75 थी
जज़ाकल्लाह
91 में 90 में
1891 कहना चाहते
1891
जज़ाकल्लाह
Islamabad
when
when I'm sorry I think I'm sorry
वर्ल्ड वाइड
वर्ल्ड वाइड तो वो कादिया में हुआ था
अच्छा कब हुआ था
ये नहीं मुझे याद
जज़ाकल्लाह
The first should be in the time of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam.
when
I think it was in 18 I'm not sure but I think 1890 96 97
1891 you are very close thank you